This is a OnePlus 9 Pro. If you know anything about me, you would know that I don't support OnePlus as a company. But my sister is going to be using this phone, and this is a OnePlus 9 Pro. I think it's the green one with 256 GB of space. I'm just going to be doing an unboxing for this because though I hate China, I am still interested in technology. Okay, so this cost 64,000 rupees from Croma. I went and picked it up for her. It is not a gift. She's gonna. Okay, so this is my first ever look at the OnePlus 9 Pro. This is the one which has the Hasselblad camera, and it's called the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. So right on the top you have the phone itself. The sticker, not very uniform and consistent, the sticker. And inside this box we have the charging accessory. You have the USB Type-C charger, plus you have the dash charger which this comes with. I think OnePlus has very high speeds, and the good news is they are kind and generous enough to include a little OnePlus case, and this is ideal, I guess, for the first few weeks. Now bear in mind, she is a OnePlus user already, so she has decided to upgrade because her OnePlus 7 doesn't take the best photographs. She loves the OnePlus 7 but doesn't take the best photographs, so she is upgrading from a OnePlus 7. If I put the case on, let's see how it feels. Okay, I must say, despite being a 6.7 inch screen, this has a very nice build quality. This has a sleeker profile along the edges. I think if you look at the OnePlus 9, which I also saw, that has a flatter curved edge. It doesn't have a curved edge. This has the curved edge. If you like a flatter screen, I would recommend the OnePlus 9 and not this one. Now let's see if this has some battery. Yes, it does. It's powering on now. Good looking phone. USB slot in the bottom, you can cover it. I'm not sure if this is waterproof. I would imagine it is. It's asking me if I'm Chinese. I'm not. I don't know why it's asking me to erase everything when I've just started the phone. That's a bit sketchy, isn't it? Wipe data and cache. Strange. Okay, so I restarted it and it's now back to the screen I want to see. We're going to skip the networks for now. Continue. It's asking me the time. Let's go back and connect it with the Wi-Fi. Give me a moment, guys. Let me just play around with this and get back. This is something I just tried, like, I think in June or July. And Lafroig is an Islay whiskey, Islay single malt Scotch whiskey. Now, what is the most unique aspect of this whiskey is because the screen quality is pretty good for a OnePlus phone. Of course, it's not comparable. Is that this is the best. Of course, it's not comparable to an iPhone. I mean, I still feel my iPhone has a better screen quality, but I'm just seeing it for the first time, and it's nice and stately. I feel the fonts and everything look really good on this one. And of course, I was just watching this. Audio is really what stands out. I think the audio on this is very loud and clear and immersive. Like, it's almost too loud. If you have this, I don't think you'll be needing an extra speaker. Okay, something just happened. YouTube needs to be closed because something is being updated in the background, so that's okay. It didn't hang up on us. That's all right. We have Spotify, and again, the screen looks beautiful to the naked eye, and nice chunky, nice fonts, and of course, OnePlus it hardly takes any time on this phone because it's very speedy to set up. It's asking if I want to update the operating system right out of the box, which is always a good idea if you get this phone. And look at the way it goes, man. Like, just one whoosh and it's gone. I don't know about any other operating system that does that. Even Apple doesn't do it like that. Apple makes you wait out the gate, and then does things. This is just boom, and it's going, man. Look at it go. It doesn't matter what my download speed is, but look at that go, man. That's just incredible. And a point has to be made for OnePlus being a new standard in phones and how the systems work. And I think they're only going to keep getting better. This is quite impressive, I must be honest. Good display, good operating system, good everything, very easy to set up, minimal bloatware. It's almost like the ideal Google experience away from a Pixel. So that was a quick unboxing for this. Let's see what the camera is like before you guys go. Let's see if the camera can impress us. Let me take a few photographs. Okay, so at 10:51 it was at 53%, and now at 11:01 it reached at 100%. That is pretty crazy, man. OnePlus, gotta be honest, that's incredible. So this is how the front-facing camera of the OnePlus looks. It's kind of zoomed in, I feel, if you compare it with and it's also a bit on the softer side, which means it doesn't have the most accurate display. I also feel that it's not bad. I gotta be honest, it's not bad. Like, it's better than the previous OnePlus. But I wonder what this will look like in playback. So I'll be putting this video. Meanwhile, this is another attempt. I was just editing the video. I thought, let me just try swapping the camera quality and seeing if it's any better. This room is not very well lit. I'm gonna add this video also. I'm wearing my Invisaligns. Again, the room is not very well lit. That's my wall. The focus is okay. It's not very fast. It's not an iPhone, but it gets the job done, I guess. This is how the zoom looks. Zoom out, and that's the zoom in. Definitely some loss of accuracy, but that's okay.